हेलो दोस्तों, डीएस मोटो ब्लॉगर में आपका स्वागत है। वेलकम टू द डीएस मोटो ब्लॉगर। आज कहीं तो बस ऐसे ही प्लान बना लिया हूँ, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है। मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि वहाँ जाऊँ, लेक पर जाऊँ। लेक पर कैसा होगा, कुछ वीडियोस, कुछ फोटोशूट भी हो जाएंगे। फोटोशूट काफ़ी दिन हो गया मैंने किया नहीं है बाइक का। मेरा ऐसे थोड़ा तो आता नहीं है बट फिर भी I'll try to shoot some videos and photos from there and we'll see. Till that time let me get ready. So I am almost ready. चुंडी विंडी बांध के रेडी हो गया हूँ, अभी कवर करना बाकी है भाई चुंडी। So let me clean my visor. It's little dirty, so I'll clean this first. And this sanitizer, which is I'm not using on my hand, but of course I'm using on my visor. So it's done. We'll see you soon on the motorcycle. अब मैं निकल आया हूँ बाहर। अब यहाँ से चलेंगे सीधे। So I think so there is a less traffic today. It's Saturday and afternoon, that's why maybe it's less traffic due to that only. But I prefer to be on a left side. I don't want to go in between that and get stuck. मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि गूगल देवी आज बोल क्यों नहीं रही है। प्रॉब्लम ये हो गया, गूगल देवी को मैंने म्यूट कर दिया हूँ, इसलिए गूगल देवी कुछ बोल नहीं रही है। इजी इजी इजी। So these are the people. Oh my god, it's so traffic. It's a huge traffic here. Oh. I got a traffic here. So it is basically a traffic that you can see in the camera. Go from the left. It's a little bit good. Oh no, it's not that much good because here is huge of dust. So from here I have to take left. RJ, बोले तो राजस्थान. It's a Rajasthan passing गाड़ी no. It's a Rajasthan passing car. I'm checking something. I'm looking for something. What was that? I don't know. But yeah, of course I'm looking for something. Oh, Paytm, Google Pay. I just stopped here for the tea. I just want tea, and after that I'll go from here. So the location is middle of the destination. So yeah, so let me take a tea. चाय के लिए तो अब तो रुक गया हूँ, अब चाय पीकर फिर यहाँ से निकलते हैं, फिर देखते हैं कहाँ, मतलब डेस्टिनेशन को कितना टाइम लगेगा पहुँचने के लिए, हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेक टू रीच टू दैट पर्टिकुलर लेक. So we'll see and we'll enjoy. Right now I am just having a tea here. After the tea I'll move from here basically to the lake. So we'll meet you on that. I have left the place. मैंने चाय पी लिया, चाय पी के अब निकल गया हूँ. After having tea I am just going to my destination. After Tejra I am just going for the Alwar, and once I'll reach to Alwar, after that particular lake is in Alwar only. So this is what you have seen, how the people take turn. Oh, you can see, oh my god, the lightning of this hotel, you can see, it's amazing lightning. No mask, no entry. Sundram. So guys, right now I just reached in Alwar, and in Alwar what I'm doing, I'm just staying in a hotel, because what I decided in a day I'll reach till that particular lake, and within that days, like daytime, I'll just record, I'll just shoot the view, and after that I'll return back in the evening. If while returning back, if it is a night, so no problem, but I'll try to cover all that particular view in a day. I just left the Gurgaon, it was approx 4 o'clock. So here when I reached till that particular lake at 5:30, it was dark, there was no visibility without any light, so I decided I'll stay somewhere, and tomorrow morning I'll do what, I'll just cover all that particular area and that particular lake. So yeah, we'll see tomorrow morning how it's going on, like how the views is, and how big that particular lake is. Basically it's the people are saying it's very famous lake, so we'll see tomorrow. It's a little bit upset because I didn't carry anything. Without carrying anything, I just reached here because I was just supposing I'll be returned back to the Gurgaon within a day, but it's not. I'm staying right now outside of this. It's so foggy, you can see it's so foggy. It's a morning. Now let me get ready as soon as, and let me reach to the destination. So now we'll see you in a camera on my motorcycle. Here I have cleaned myself, so now this time to clean my motorcycle. So she is going to be ready for the race, not for race, for a road trip. It's a road machine. So actually, yes, I have left the place where I was staying in a hotel, and the people suggest me to go to the Balaki. So from here I'll have to stay after the turn on the straight road. I'll have to go till there on that way only. You know what happened exactly yesterday? Yesterday I decided to, when leaving to the Gurgaon, before that I decided I'll go to the lake and I'll return back by evening. But it was already late. It was already late, yeah, it was already late when I left Gurgaon. It was 4 o'clock I left Gurgaon. After 3:30 I left my room, and after that maybe 4 o'clock I was on a main road, but it's happened like what? I reached here till that lake at 5:45 in evening.
But when I saw that it's become complete dark, it was not visible. So I thought maybe I'll have to stay somewhere, and later on I'll just try to cover it. Maybe later I'll cover this. So after that I decided yes, definitely I'll have to stay, because I have just come this far. So without watching, without getting that view, is it better to stay somewhere? Forward to create a feedback video about my motorcycle, because it happened 1 year 2 months, and since that time I have driven this motorcycle about 20,000 kilometers, and huge of road trips I did by this motorcycle. So I am thinking I'll have to create a feedback video review of this motorcycle. Looking forward to give you the information about, if we are doing a road trip, what things we have to just maintain with us, what the things we have to carry while doing a road trip. That also I will help, because I did a lot of the trips. I have completed Mumbai trip, Delhi to Mumbai. I have been till Manali. I have been till Shimla. I have been till what it is called. It's Dehradun, Mussoorie, the novelty. These things I have covered with the same motorcycle. And what next? Yeah, my hometown. 2 times I have just been to my hometown. That was almost 900 kilometers I have driven. So 900 for going, 900 for returning back. It's almost 1800 kilometers. And Mumbai Delhi trip, it was amazing. Almost I have driven 3500 kilometers. Yes, 3500 kilometers. It is almost about the 1400 kilometers from Delhi to Mumbai. Now where I'm going to the Bala Fort. After 250 meters, I'll have to take right round about this circle and take the right. So it's signal. Let me stop here. That's here. The people, you can see who is following the zebra crossing. After the zebra crossing, people. So let me stop the camera here. So I'm driving in Alwar. The city is called Alwar Fort, and that lake, which is in Alwar only, but a little bit outside of the city. So from here to take left. Yeah, it's left. Oh, okay. So from here I'll have, this is the circle. Might be some house. Now I need to go straight. It suddenly come to my camera in front of me. It was not visible before 5 minutes ago. It was not visible for me. Might be yeah, it was not visible to me. And right. Now where I have to go? बाला किला के लिए सर, बाला किला के लिए बिंदु से टिकट ले लो आप। यहाँ से जाना पड़ेगा ना, टिकट लेना पड़ेगा यहाँ से। टिकट प्लीज। अकेला हो बाइक से। ये लीजिए। So guys, as I asked here, it's a little bit restricted place, because here some of the animals are there, so they have guide me right more. And what else? We cannot play the music basically. So if any animals coming in front of us, so do what? Just stop your vehicle. They will pass. They will not do anything. So let me start from here. Hope so you will enjoy this video from here to the Bala Killa. So let me go. So I prefer to drive slow, guys, because if there is an animal, I always be very happy to see them, and hope you will also get a good views if any animals are coming in front of us. As per the guidelines, they are not going to harm us, and I'm just trying to pull down little bit camera. Yep. Now hope so the camera's view angle is good for the view. Even I don't prefer to speak more here. Just try to understand and enjoy the music in a back. Shut my mouth for a few minutes. To the Bala Killa. Yes, I'm taking entry. Jaipal. It's Jaipal or Jaipal, I don't know. If it is possible to leave this place as soon as, maybe no, it is not possible that you can see that fort. The place, I think so it will take a time for me to reach there, because there also a fort. Maybe it is complete hill that is the fort. There is also a tracking place. Oh, I have to plug in my charger, because if there is no network in a phone, that time it always drain your battery. Oh, you can see. Still in a good condition. Biker, the uncle. Oh, you can see that guy. Oh, have you seen, guys? What was that? Do comment below the video and do let me know. It's a Bala Killa. I think so. I have reached there. So only one animal I just find till here. Okay, it's a second one. Here also. 2, 3. Where I have to go? I'll go first this side. No networks. There is peacock. Yeah, peacock is there. So guys, they don't allow to use a camera inside this killa, inside this fort. So I decided if they don't allow the camera, what I'll do inside, instead of that, I'll have to go. So I prefer to go from here, little bit photo shoot. So let's go. Drive safe and slow, no issue. I'll be live 10 minutes late, but I don't want to do that. Back to the again after that I'll try to, not I'll try, I'll go, definitely I'll go there on that lake which is I have already said, and for that for what I just come here. So see you on that lake. So I'm just returning back from here for that lake. I'm going for the lake. So let's see you on the lake. Oh, it's so sweet. It's so cute and sweet. Thank you. Let me check my internet connectivity. It is up. Oh, it's 10:27. I'll shut my mouth and I'll drive till their lake. By the way, it's a super smooth road. Even I don't feel any bump, any slipperies here. Oh my god. How it feel like. Both sides trees, in between that there are a road. There is a road. Where is the lake? Okay, so I think so I reached. If it is a small lake, that's really, literally it's a lake. Is it a lake? What the hell? भाई इसको लेक कहेंगे? भाई मैदान था पूरा का पूरा, वो लेक थोड़ी ना था यार, मेरे को फूल बना दिया. So from here I'll take a left. Yeah, I'll go by left. I don't know what kind of lake it was. There was nothing. There was no water in that lake. That was completely a field, and it was showing that like it's a lake. How the hell? How fool I was. I decided to go.
की दुकान से मैंने चाय पिया, जो बहुत अच्छी चाय बनाई भाई ने. सो हियर, हाँ चाय पी के अब यहाँ से निकल रहा हूँ, हिटिंग बैक टू द दिल्ली अगेन. वैसे छोटू नाम क्या है? जोर से बोल, इसमें आ जाए. रोहित. भाई का नाम रोहित है. इसने मेरे चैनल सब्सक्राइब किया है. थैंक यू सो मच छोटू. एंड ही इज़ गोइंग टू वॉच माई वीडियोज़, एंड ऑल्सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी अपलोड ऑन माई चैनल, विच इज़ ऑल्सो ही इज़ गोइंग टू सी how he was waiting for, and he was also excited, like he was so much crazy, like I have been from Delhi to here, and I have been to Delhi and Mumbai, all of the things. So let's head back to the Delhi.
Now I'm just heading back to the Gurgaon again. So there was like Google was showing the lake, but there was no lake. Instead of that, I just find it out one more views that before that I have just recorded. That was good for me. I have been till there. That was Bala Fort. So that was really amazing for me. But after that, I feel less. I was literally upset when I just saw that there is no lake. After that, I just took some tea and all these things. I made some of the new subscribers who do subscribe my YouTube channel, and they were so happy while doing subscription of my channel. I'm thankful to all my subscribers. Oh, it's a tunnel. You can find it out. Oh my God! It's in a day we can find a view of this tunnel. Oh, yep, amazing. tunnel.
So finally, I reached to Gurgaon in afternoon, but yes, I was feel so sleepy because yesterday night I was not able to sleep. So after taking shower, I slept. Right now, I just wake up and trying to edit the video because I just want to upload this video as soon as, because few of my friends asked me to upload the video as soon as, so I'll do the same. And yes, of course, man, if I went up till there only for the lake, so it could be a wrong decision. But yeah, of course, I took a decision like I'll stay in a hotel. So in the morning, people suggest me to go to the Bala Fort, so that was a good decision. I went up till there I found some good views, good photos, that also, yes. So that was the video. So hope you like this video. Also, please do like, comment, and if you have not subscribed yet my YouTube channel, so please do subscribe my YouTube channel for the new video notification. Also, you can press the bell icon. Till that time, bye bye, take care and drive safe.